Hey fellas, let's see, we have the dead man walking here. It's a Bosch. Only one light's turned on and charger not charging it, so let's find some security pins, drill them out and open it to check what can be wrong here. Okie dokie. Okay, opening it, and first thing what we can check here, we can check the voltage here, and 17.5, yeah, that's enough for us. Let's get some paper out, and we can see some corrosion here. That's definitely not what we want to see on a battery. Yeah, let's check. So it's a small water damage here. Not so small anymore, yeah. Okay. Maybe made it a little bit too hard. We'll push the paper here. Okay, so corrosion, 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 corrosion. And of course that's the reason why the battery is dead. Let's check 2.68, 2.67, 3.7. Okay, can't reach it. 3.68, 3.7, 3.7, 3.7, 3.7, 3.7, and 3.7. So we have two dead cells here, 2.5 and 2.68. Okay, so we have these two dead and this one not corroded, so basically we need to change 5 of them. This one, okay, maybe it looks good. Okay, 5 cells of 10. I need to speak with the customer, maybe we'll rebuild all this back. So slowly getting the battery out, and we can see it's a Samsung 21700 40T. So yeah, because it's a 40 amps battery and still cannot get it easily out. Okay, got it. So okay, we need a 40T cell pack, and of course it will be needed to balance. We'll go to it later. Now I'm going to search for the spare cell. Okay, I have prepared the tool, was waited my spot welder to be charged, and found the replacement cell. It's a EVA, not Samsung. The characteristics are the same, the capacity is the same, the amperes it can give out is the same. So, well, it is like it is. So let's try to put it in. And yeah, it's hard, don't want to push it very, very hard here. Because we have the temperature sensors here inside on this cell, so I don't want to damage them. Okay, it's getting harder. Of course, this one you have the clear wrap, if you have it. No, it's unwrap it, but we have the good protection from the plastic housing. Okay, I need to put it safely, to not touch it. For example, here I will put it on a vise or something and then press it in and get back to spot welding. Okay, got it in. We can see that the positive side just touching the plastic housing here, so I can try to touch it, and I don't know if my spot welder can weld the cells like this. We will soon find out, and if it can't, I will be needed to get a new spot welder or get to some shop or something. Yeah, it even cannot leave some marks, so we know the fault, we know how to fix it, but I need a more powerful spot welder. Okay, I got back my ProCore Bosch repair from the friend from another city, because him have the powerful spot welder. Mine is not so powerful. It's a pure nickel plate here and here, and now this battery is certain charging and charging very well. And maybe you can see in the corner here this Frankenstein, and this is the Hilti 22 volts 5.2 Leon amps battery. I'm repairing it and preparing the video for this one, so subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed. Okay, what can we do now? We can assemble this beast. I have two of them, and now I'm thinking, do I have the wheel to test it? But probably no, probably I don't have the Bosch drill. Okay, so we have assembled the battery pack. It's very nice, very good. The second one is still charging, so we'll assemble it later. For you, thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and for now, bye.